We are here at the Salt Lake Flat. So all around me is actually dried up salt. This used to be the Bonneville Lake, but now it's all dry. So it's 11-mile long and 5-mile wide. And it's all salt. Like you can see here, all the whites are literally just salt. See? Up, you can see out here. Uh, Salt as far as the eye can see. And it has like over 147 million tons of salt all around. Pretty cool. What do you say, Alan?
What happened to the water?
The water actually all dried up. Let's see. Okay, that's the salt. See, this is all salt right here. Wow. Salt crystallized. It's 90% common table salt. Hi. Hi, Kira. Missy, your salt snowball. Whoa.
Salt snowman. You wanna make a salt snowman?
Look at that.
Salt snowman.
Okay.
It's snow. But it actually not. Here's Kira mining for salt. You're making a snowman? Nice. A salt snowman. A salt man.
Can you help me with this?
Look at that. Wow.
Flip it up, flip it up.
Just keep on walking and it just look. Yêu cọng muối. Yes. Wow, look at that.
And then tell us.
What?
Higher. You can throw it. You can throw it further, okay? Okay, about 5, 10.
I want to go to that little drop over there.
Let's do it.
Ah, you're the farthest. Good job. Wow, look at Alan so far
You
away.
can do it. Ah, okay, there you go.
There he is.
Roll it over here.
You're so far away, Alan.
You can do it, Alan.
Whee!
What is time?
That's feet ups, not pull
You
up.
can do it.
Do at least one pull up.
You can do it.
Just do one pull up. It hurt.
All right, one more try.
I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna try. I did one.
Do it again, Zach. Up, he fell off. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
5.
Ooh, you got it.
You're into one.
So I guess I'm in.
Okay, let me see you do it.
That hurt.
Whoa.
That kind of
Kira found the water.
I found the water first.
No, Kira found it
I found water
first.
over there first. Wow. Over there. Wow. You want to see it though?
Look at that. Sea salts. Oh, wow.
Okay, time to mix.
And boom.
I need this. And I have half of it.
We're here at the Great Salt Lake. Like a giant mirror. It's only 34 feet deep. I see a lot of bird out there. Very shallow. It's kind of stinky though. I don't know why, but there's a lot of fly here. Tons of fly on the water. Kind of gross. Ugh. And it's kind of smelly on this side. Grossy. What do you think, Darren?
I don't like it.
Yeah, a bit of a disappointing, huh?
There's a ton of
Ugh. A lot of fly everywhere.
And also,
Ooh.
the sand look like that?
Everywhere. They're out pretty far. Bummer. I do not want to go through the flies just to get to the water. We're here. The Great Salt Lake. It is really big, but I'm not sure if it's great. Because there's too many fly everywhere. It is like a big giant mirror. I do see some people kind of boating out. Someone took a platoon boat and went out. And behind me, look, there's a sailboat right there. It does look pretty, but the fly kind of ruined everything. We're at the visitor center here at the Silver Sand Beach. There's a lot of people come and sightsee too. And some people will go through all the fly and go out to the water. It's actually very shallow. But I don't think I want to get in. I mean, if you have a boat, I think definitely way better to go out in the water with a boat. It is picturesque.
Can we go somewhere else? Yeah, can we? Too many flies. Yeah, too many.